Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a mouth-watering recipe that is favorite among many. Butter chicken. It's creamy, rich, full of flavor. So let us dive right in. First, I will start with marinating the chicken. I have fresh ginger and garlic, which I will use to make ginger garlic paste. In this bowl, I have boneless chicken that I have chopped into small pieces. To marinate the chicken, I will add the ginger paste, red chili powder, yogurt, and lemon. Ensure that the chicken is well coated and let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the flavor to soak in deeply into the meat. Now let us start cooking the chicken. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the marinated chicken, cook until it's brown and fully cooked, then set aside. Now let's prepare the sauce. In the same pan, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add the fine chopped onions and saute until translucent. Then add garlic and cook until golden brown. Add chopped tomatoes, cook until they are soft. Then add water, red chili, turmeric, and coriander and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Blend the mixture with a blender until it becomes smooth and velvety sauce. I will strain the sauce to remove seeds, skins of tomatoes for a smoother butter chicken. Now add the cooked chicken pieces back into the sauce. Mix them together and allow them to cook on a low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. For that luxurious and creamy texture that the butter chicken is known for, add a generous amount of heavy cream. Our homemade butter chicken is ready to be enjoyed, and I'm serving it with rice. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in my next video.